All right, let's take another stab at this. Sorry, I had to have something to drink. We got a garbage truck, cement truck, and a flatbed truck. And I'll guarantee you that all the parts aren't there for it. No way, no how. So we'll start out with, oh look, I'm thinking that kids played with that at one point. There's that. There's the roof for it. There's sidewall. Oh, that's the back end. Oh, my mistake. This is the roof for the garbage truck. That's got to be for one of the other trucks. That's a roof part. Side panel. Here's the flatbed truck. It's half done, you know. Oh, it's all glued. What a moron. Here's the cement truck. That was always cool. I like the cement truck. I like vehicles for some reason. They do come out with a bunch of cool vehicles. There's the cement tube. There's the crank. That's for the cement truck. Windshield's got to be, well, it could be for either one, I suppose. And there's the apparatus for the cement hose, dispatching said cement. What is up with this? That is not the right color at all. I don't know if you can pick that up, but that's faded big time. This one here is really turned a greeny sort of a blue. It does not look like it's picking that up very well. Because this is blue. This looks like it's almost going to be brittle. I better be careful with it. And these uprights, these are blue, greeny blue as well. What the heck? So there's the front end for the truck. There's the back end for the truck. And then we got our cement truck sides. These are all sides. That's cement truck, cement truck. What the hell? I wonder if that goes in the garbage truck, huh? Why would a painter's palette be there? How would it even get in there? I don't know what that is. So we'll find out. All right, we'll just dump the rest of these out. Hopefully I have not, oh, too late. I was going to say not on the floor, but guess what? A piece fell on the floor. All right, well, we'll go through and do whatever we can do. Hey, look, I have a page of the instructions. That's got to be that one. All right, we'll set this aside. The garbage truck seems like it's the most likely candidate, seeing how it's mostly put together. Oh, poor instructions. Just don't survive well. This is for the cement truck. So this must be the garbage truck then. All right, let's page through, fast forward. We got all of that. I got all of that. Let's start building the back end. We got the cab for the front. We got the seat in there. We got some of the sidewalls. We got the recycling thing on there. We got that. We got that. Let's put the front end on then. Where's the front end? Here's the front end. We'll get the front end on there. Where does that go? Equal width? Yes, it goes equal width. Boy, that glue just does not want to be user-friendly, does it? The hell? Almost sounds like it's raining out. All right, we got these on there, ×2. All right, windshield. Windshield. That's not the right windshield. Windshield. Hey, we're all done with the windshield. Let's take that off though. And we put, I need this for the rear view. Oh my goodness, man, look at that. That's just terrible. Can't believe I would treat Legos this way. Listen to that. All that glue breaking. That's not normal noise for a Lego. It's a good thing it's heated out here, man. It's like 20 degrees Fahrenheit outside. Freeze my balls off temperature. Alright, that's that. We got the windshield. We got the 3 across. Now we do the back. Let's straighten that out. That's this part here. So this part goes wonky like so. Right? 1 1 space 1 half blue or white tile. Then that goes on right there. I think. If it'll go on there. Bugger. Alright, then we get our windshield on, or our cab. Boy, that one piece, look at that. That's already starting to warp right here in the center. There's nothing holding that together at all. Stupid, stupid design, Lego. Why would you leave space in between there for, oh, cost-cutting measures. That's what. Yeah. That's glued, isn't it? I can't get that sucker off without tearing it to pieces. Can I? I happen to have a spare piece, which is going to be a hell of a lot better than that. I mean, give me a break. It's a big honking hair there. Oh boy, I'm afraid to squeeze this. Woo! Cab's falling apart. Look at that. Can't squeeze too hard. There. Yeah, that makes me feel much better. It's a little straighter. A little bit more durable. Alright. Now we can start working on our rear end. We got the tires on. Rear end's half built. We got the white pieces on there. We got these. We got these. I need my 2 high pieces of orange here. Oh, that doesn't even want to go down there. Stupid ass with the glue. Alright, which way do these go? So these go pointing inwards. So this one goes here. This one doesn't go there. It goes this way, stupid. There, we're getting our garbage truck going along here. So we got these for our for our thing. We have the pieces underneath already. Excuse me. We need orange, right? A big tile and a big tile and a single tile. No, this goes there. Then. So that goes there. And then our big orange tile goes here. Don't pull the piece up to the Lego. Pull the Lego. Oh, look at that. That's just so terrible. There we go. That just does not. You got to have really strong fingers because that glue is just messing everything up. Stupid shit. You'll be hearing me say that a lot because it applies. Dumbass. Okay, now we get to the point where we put it on the wagon. Done. We got our extendable tippy thingies. Done. Just like magic. All right, let's work on our rear end. That's a good fun word. Let's work on the rear end. All right, now let's see what we got here. This goes out the side, so this goes here, and that goes there. Voila, a turd done already. We got this. Which way does this go? This goes inward, or where? It goes inward in the middle. Then we need, oh, screeching halt. We need parts. Can you believe that shit? We need parts. Where are they? Sorry, people, you're coming along for a ride. We need parts. We need this part. All right, so it goes this way, like that. That is really old, wonky white color, man. And then this goes like that. No. Don't be fucked in the head. What the hell? I have these the wrong way. Sorry, the battery died. And it takes 5 minutes to get this thing back up. What a pain in the ass. This GoPro is something else. Yeah, that's great. And then starting to think my wife's camera's better. All right, I got this backwards, so we have to disassemble our assembly here. We've got to switch this around like so. Switch it from left to right because I'm a dumbass. Put that on there. Straighten it out so it don't look so wonky. Now, that's how that looks. I need a broom and a shovel. Thinking I just went through that, huh? So these lights go on there. This light and this black part go on there. All right, let's back up. I am missing a few parts. I didn't need these after all. I am missing some orange. These go here. This goes there. I'm missing some orange angle pieces too. So I got the top piece on the truck. But that's where this goes, right there. So I need 2 orange blocks. And I need one of these. So let's see. No, wrong one. Here. Let's get the bank thing out of here. I couldn't finish this either. I'm missing this whole plate right there. I'm going to find that bastard too. Oh, look, there's the orange piece I need right there. Let's see. It goes that way. No. Stop it. Okay, I need a 2 by 2. Excuse me, mooses. Yep, sorry, dog. Back up, back up, back up. Good boy. Need a 2 by 2 white piece. So that goes here, like that. Then my orange triangle goes there. And I need some orange squares, which are going to be back up, back up, back up, back up. Thank you, mooses. Which are going to be over here. I have to raid my lava tin for the Minecraft area, because that's where all of these are going. Oops, I don't need 3, I just need 2. There. Now this goes right, stupid shit, goes right under here. And there. And the garbage truck is done. Oh, you just can't lift. It never did work. Not without holding on to it, you know. Never did work. Never did work to begin with. But there's a garbage truck. Let's see, I need a broom. Ta-da, broom. Broom gets put on the side. Look at how, you can't pick that up, but even the white, boy, the white has faded so much. Beginning to wonder if that has something to do with the glue. Then we need a shovel. We'll put a shovel on this side. Sorry, there. And let's look for people. Well, construction workers, city workers. How about that? Let's see if I have a... Oh, who's supposed to even come with this, I wonder? He's got green pants on and an orange outfit. Let's see if we have someone with green pants on and an orange outfit. Otherwise, it's going to be a construction worker guy. There's someone with green pants. A police dude with green pants? Oh, I bet that hurt. I just ripped his legs off. Oh, it's a poor guy. There. Now we got a city worker. And we'll put him right on the ass end here. Holding on for dear life. Like people do. Alright, fine. No, that's not going to work. We'll put him down here, though. There. That looks like fun, don't it? Ah! Let's see if there's another guy with green pants so we have someone driving the truck. But I don't think we do. Nope. Someone with orange pants, though. The dude's got to be there somewhere. Alright, well, we got someone on the outside. That's cool enough. You know? If it stays. Alright, and that's our garbage truck. So, that's a nice... we don't have a garbage can, though. Oh! You gotta be shitting me. Garbage cans are over there. I just brought them all over to the city area. I am missing a block, ain't I? It did not... I missed it. I missed it. I missed it. Where is it at? It does not show me putting that on there. Does it? Got a white block there, but that's there. Right? No, it ain't there. Where the hell would it go, though? That's this block here. That's that white block. Here, I thought I was done with the truck. It doesn't say in the instructions, but that really pisses me off. You know that? Anywhere in here to put that on there. There. It says right there, stupid ass. So I don't need that piece. Alright. Stop it. I don't need the gauges anymore. I need, no, I need a block piece though, don't I? Here it is right there. So I need one of these, one of those. Rip off the bottom as nicely as you can. So that goes there. Let's see, that goes to the outside. So that goes like that. And then we'll put this back on its ass end as nicely as we can. If it'll want to even fit anymore. There we go. Alright, now we need a droid arm. Where the hell are my droid arms? This video's getting a lot longer than I wanted it to. Droid arm, gray. How does it work? How does it work? Do I need an angled one? No, I need a straight one, right? I need a straight one. So, that goes like that. Droid arm goes on there. And, pardon me, I'll go run over to the train room for 30 seconds and go get a garbage can. Well, I guess that's ending. Hey, look at that. I'm happy now. Son of a bitch. There, my bank car's done. The bank fucking whatever. And that was just sitting there. Now, if I can just find my garbage cans just sitting there. Here they are. Trying to build a city, you know, a city house. So, what color garbage can do you think? It shows a gray garbage can, but it's, you know, life's just a bugger sometimes. Sorry, let me get my hand out of the way. So the SD card was full, and then the battery was dying, and then this, and then that. I put a new SD card in there. Thank you. Appreciate it. Now let's get back to our garbage truck. So it's recycling, so I am going to use a green recycling. If it'll want to go on there. We'll just leave it like that. I'm going to get a lid for it too. What the hell? Let's get a lid for it. And the guy can be holding on to said lid. You know, the more I try to grab it, the more it gets away from me. Isn't that a funny statement? So if this guy's... he can't, can he? Hold on to that lid? He cannot, can he? Well, ain't that a bitch. What do I put on there to be able to hold on to the lid? Fuck it. There. Ta-da! Done. There's our garbage truck. Ready for the city life and whatnot and whatnot. So there. That was interesting. Now there's more instructions sitting around. I gotta get a file cabinet. I really do. So we'll try our cement truck next. Alright, we'll see how that goes. Hold on, everyone. Time for time travel.